Welcome to the CAD school. This is Prashant Pawar, CAD consultant. This is the fifth drawing that we are going to draft in AutoCAD. This drawing is the perfect example of drawing a circle by tangent radius method. So to begin with the drawing, select construction lines. Then to locate the center point for the arc of radius 11, we are going to use offset. Select 42. Then go to draw, select circle, center, radius. From object snap toolbar, select intersection. Locate the point, intersection point, and then mention the radius, that is 22. Again, to draw a circle of radius 11, select right click, center radius, select the intersection point, and then mention the radius 11, enter. Here is an arc of radius 50 that is tangent to the arc of radius 22 and radius 11. So go to draw, select circle, select tangent radius, specify the tangent space between the two circles, and then mention the radius, that is 50. Again, there is one more arc of radius 20 that is tangent to the arc radius 22 and 11. So again we are going to use tangent radius and then specify the tangent space between the two circles and then mention the radius 20. So here we have got the circles that are tangent to each other. Here we are going to pre-select the cutting edges. Select similar, then go to modify, select trim, and now we are going to remove the unwanted portion of the circles. So select object to trim. Now we are going to draw a circle of diameter 11. Go to draw, circle, center, diameter, select center, snap to center from object snap toolbar, select the circumference and then mention the diameter, that is 11. For the circle diameter 7, I will be using offset instead of drawing a circle center diameter. Go to offset. The distance between the circle 11 and 7 is 2. So select the circumference and the side to offset, right click and enter. So this is how we have drafted the drawing by using TTR option. So thanks for watching. Keep practicing.